Before we begin, guys, do not forget to register for the live stream of the OnePlus 6T. Follow the first link in the description, pocketnow.com/OnePlus6T to learn more. The iPhone XR was released at midnight, and let's see how well it does with sales. We get some patents for Samsung that point to a Galaxy S10 having an optical on-display fingerprint scanner, and we also get invitations for Xiaomi, but for two different events in Madness Techtober. I'm Jaime Rivera, and Techtober continues as I pre-record this because I need to cross the pond for the next 14 hours for more work. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with product teasers. Obviously, Huawei just took all the spotlight with their May 20 launches, a lot more than we expected, and now the company's CEO has teased that there will be a foldable smartphone with 5G capabilities as early as next year. The company has surprised so far with their chipset, the Kirin 980, so obviously this has a lot to do with how we're going to get 5G, not this chipset, but the evolution of that chip into whatever is coming, and that would make this possible in addition to a foldable whatever. We'll see. Now let's talk about Xiaomi, as the company has just sent out press invitations for two events. On October 23rd, we have the Black Shark phone, apparently, Black Shark 2. And then on October 25th, we have the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3, according to what we see in the teaser. And sadly, I won't be able to be part of both, but we've already got planned something for coverage, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, it's China now. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10, as we've got some patents that are rather interesting. The company has had pretty much this optical heart rate sensor on the back of its phones since like the Galaxy S5, I believe. And now we hear that the new optical fingerprint scanner that we'll have on the display of the Galaxy S10 is going to bring that functionality. At least we see it on the possible patents. I mean, it's just really hard to tell for what phone the patents are. It could be S10, it could be Note 10. Stay tuned for that. That's going to be interesting because you're going to use it once and then you're going to forget about it. Now let's talk about Samsung, as we've got another official launch from the company. We see the Samsung Galaxy Book 2, and what makes this product special is we were really big fans of the Book 1. We already have our review unit of the Book 2, where we noticed that it has the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 processor, so it's a mobile-first chipset. In addition, so obviously you get crazy battery life and other perks. It's very thin, very practical, but you get full-blown Windows 10. November 2nd is the launch. Price tag, yeah, it's $1,000, but it looks gorgeous. I'll let you know what I think of it once I get my hands on it. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the iPhone XR. The product was released at midnight Pacific. Obviously, we're waiting to see how this device is going to perform, but an interesting indicator is that US carriers are already clogged with deals where you can get it for free with installments for 18 months, and then we've got Verizon even offering iPads. There's a full list of deals in the description. Let us know in the comments, did you order the iPhone XR? Or with Techtober, is there anything else that you're enticed for? Because in my case, ooh man, Mate 20 Pro. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next week, I guess.